Hello everyone, hello beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a friend, African Queen, present on this radio talk show. What's up people waiting the shelle or Guinea? Yes, I am back again with a very topic that I want us to discuss today concerning the question of, are you from Abia State or Imo State or Anambra State? Now, if we are talking about what is happening in the country and how it can be fixed for people to be protected and have their freedom and unity. So you should forget about where the leader come from, because this is not a question of, are you from Abia State or Imo State or Ebonyi State? Oh, because you are not from Imo State. Okay. You are not our leader. Really? I don't think that matters. What matters is if the leader is doing the right thing to protect the people, to bring peace, unity, and freedom to the land. That's what matters. Let's say Nigeria is in Africa. Almost all Africans, almost the same skin color. So questioning whether you are from this state or that state is not the issue at hand. The issue at hand is the things that are happening in the country. Finding the solution to the problem. Nigeria is missing. Nigeria is nowhere to be found. It's nowhere to be found because look at what is happening there. Yes, we have president that's supposed to be coming out addressing the country, but it's not happening that way. So what is going on? But instead of looking into what is happening right there in Nigeria, we are questioning, oh, you are from Abia State, you are not from Imo State, you are not from Ebonyi State, you are not from this state. They should stop that fight over state issue and focus on what is happening in the country. How to stop it, how to solve the problem. So that NNAMDI KANU is working on protecting the people of the land, protecting the communities, protecting the country, should not be a problem. Like I said before, support the guy, support the ESN. Let them do their job well. With genuine rules and regulations. Doing the right thing. I said earlier, we all are human beings, and it's like they are questioning it. Maybe that we are not human beings. But to me, we are human beings. That is the reason why the 10 Commandments is given to us, based on biblical history. We are human beings. That is the reason why the Israelites questioned David, are you sure you can defeat the Philippians? But it's not in David's power to defeat the Philippians. It's by the special grace of God. Yes, we are human beings, everybody in fear. That is the reason why we are human beings. And because of that, we are calling upon God to intercede, to help us. Let him touch the heart of leaders around the world to help us to fight what is going on in Nigeria, to figure out the solution they can use in order to make things better. So now tell me, are we spirit? For so somebody saying that human beings, they are the spirit. How about God? What will you say about God that we don't see? We don't see God. But a lot of things happen. Mysterious things happen. And they question, oh, is it God that is doing this or human being? You see that question? Now, we read the Bible, we listen to the stories in the Bible, and we ask ourselves, you really mean that this happened during the time of Elijah? During the time of Moses? During the time of Joseph? And the Holy Spirit visited Mary and delivered the message to her. Is Mary a human being or a spirit? And God said in Mark 13 that he's not a dead God, he's a living God, that he sees and hears all things. Proverbs 15:3. So that is why I said we are human beings, because if you come to constitution of the land, there are constitutions of human rights. What did they call it? Human rights. They did not say spirit right. So I don't know who is questioning that. I think the answer has been given to that person. Then another thing I said earlier, that the thing that I removed or deleted is that if it happened to be there is no road in Lagos or Abuja, let them make sure there is road in Igbo land. Let the airport be fixed and in good condition. I did not miss the word. And I said I'm not a prophet, I'm not an evangelist, I'm not a pastor, I'm a human being like you. So for those who don't understand what I mean, human being speaks in proverbs. Jesus himself speaks in parables. That is why he said, if you are giving $10 to do business, they are expecting you to bring more good out of that $10 and not to finish it. Is that proverb of parable? Igbo ekwu okwu sị na onye atụrụ ilulu kọwara ya na ego eji lụọ nne ya ofuru ọhịa. That is why I said, as a leader, you are out there. You cannot eat anyhow. You cannot drink anyhow. What does that mean? You know what I mean. I don't need to explain that. You know what you are as a leader. So you got to pay attention around you. It doesn't matter who. So this fight over you are from Abia State, you are not from Imo State, you are from this, you are from that, then you are one chanchago, Napani Burago for that. Oh, you will not lead us. Really? It doesn't go that way. Like I said, ndị okenye tiri ilulu kọwaa ha so onye ma afọ ga-amụ eze. Enweghị onye ma afọ ga-amụ eze. You don't know the pregnancy that will born a king. That is why Herod was running helter-skelter all over the place, destroying, looking for the king, looking for the pregnancy that will born a king. Enwere onye ma afọ ga-amụ eze. You don't know. That is why we treat everybody right, with equal respect. Let them have their human rights and freedom, unity and peace, and stop the atrocity that is going on in Nigeria. That's all we are asking for, and that's all we are praying for. Stop saboteur and stop fighting each other. Thank you, guys. And remember this. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I will see you guys again on my next video. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to hear my voice on anchor.fm/African Queen TV show coming up very soon. Check out my broadcast. Thank you, and bye-bye.